Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make model rocket parachutes from coffee filters. Now, the coffee filter is already in the perfect shape for a parachute. All you have to do is simply add string, sewing thread, fishing line, what have you, to the coffee filter, and I would suggest probably equally spacing 6 to 8 strings equally divided around the diameter of the coffee filter. These are biodegradable, and so in case your rocket gets drifted away, at least the parachute will biodegrade, and over time it will drop your rocket to the ground, hopefully. If it gets stuck in a tree or something like that. But yeah, I mean, it's a perfect parachute, and yeah, it may weigh a little bit more than a thin plastic parachute, but the point is, it works. Now, if you want to go even larger, there are larger sized coffee filters that will also work. For this one, I would measure the circumference and equally divide your strings to equal out the circumference amount and attach it to your rocket. But both very good ideas, both biodegradable, and a lot safer for the environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.